Are you looking for some style inspo for your long and knotless braids? Maybe like some easy styles? Okay, cool. Because I got about 11 of them, so stay tuned.
And I'm so glad you're mine, princess, my angel, my queen, baby, you're my friend.
But before we get started, first things first, if you are new here,
first off, welcome.
Rain Gang, welcome back, sis, for another video. Now, y'all know me, okay? I'm basic and simple, and I'm unashamed. Listen, my two favorite styles is part down the middle. On a good day, I might throw it over to the side. I'm just saying, but I'm gonna show you guys some really easy, age-appropriate hairstyles, and all you need is a scrunchie, and even with that, you might not. Period. All right, so my knotless braids are super long. I am only 5'3", and they go past my booty. Bars. Anywho, style number one. Now, I want to let you guys know that I am looking at my monitor, and I'm also looking at my mirror so I can see what I'm doing, okay? So just in case if you see me looking over to the side, that's what I'm doing. So all of these styles is something that I would personally wear on my own, okay? So I wanted to share just the realistic, I'm not fronting, this is like what I would do. So this is a half up and half hairstyle. All I'm doing is taking about 3 braids to wrap it around to conceal my scrunchie. And you do not need a scrunchie to secure your hair, as you know. I'm sure everybody knows this, but just in case. And all you have to do is tuck and you have security. Ah, come on. And so what this does, it gives it a little character. A little 90s, you know, 2000s, you know what I'm saying? Very reminiscent of the hairstyle that I did with my curly hair. Now, if you know me, you know that I can't go anywhere. I mean, I can go somewhere, but I prefer to lay my adolescent hairs, okay? My almost out of the house hairs. It's just what makes rayna, and I'm unashamed. But yeah, I think it just sets off the style, and I think it's so cute and super age appropriate and quite youthful. Okay, style number 2 is coming up. All right. So this is so cute. Again, this is for my grown and sexy women, okay? And if you're, you know, if you're offended by the sexy, this is just for my grown women, okay? But this, you know, anybody can rock this, but my braids are rather thick, so I am taking a scrunchie. I love these scrunchies, and I am just, you know, I mean, this is self-explanatory. I'm creating a bang, and I'm gonna go ahead and bring it around and over my scrunchie. And if you want to use your braids to secure it, you would do the same thing. And I feel like doing it this way just gives it a little bit of character. Like, that's what I'm about. Simplicity, but I got some character on top of it. Come on, somebody. Come on. Okay, anyway, so I think that's really cute. I think it's perfect for maybe going out or even work. It's just really cute, especially if your braids are getting old. I think this is just a very classic hairstyle. And, you know, it's for my women, you know, who are grown and sexy or whatever. But anyway, style number 3. Now, this is a little bit more youthful. It's giving me real Moesha vibes. Very much so Brandy, Rihanna Norwood. You know my girl. That's my best friend in my head. Y'all know I'm a huge fan. But yeah, this is what it's giving me, and I feel like I've done this style many years ago. But it's so Coachella-esque. You know what I mean? It's just really cute in my opinion. Now, I didn't have any rubber bands, so you can always use your hair that you bought and paid for to tie knots and secure your hair as much as you would like to. So I think this is an extremely cute style, very age appropriate. Even those who are over, you know, who are in my age bracket, hello, and people who are younger and older can rock this. I think it's cute. However, if you are not about that life, it's okay. You can go ahead and still, you know, throw it back. Now, I'm gonna be very honest. I would not wear my hair back like this, but it's cute if you would choose, you know, to do this. I just thought I would include it. You know, we don't discriminate. Anywho, I think it's cute. The braided look is very, very cute to me. So, moving on, number 4. Now, I think this is so cute. Well, of course, all these styles, in my opinion, are cute because I would actually rock them, like, off camera. So anyway, style number 4, another half up and half down hairstyle. This is one of those super trendy hairstyles that I feel like any age can wear. I think I've seen like everybody of every age sport this hairstyle. It's easy, it's youthful, it's trendy, it's fun, it adds style and character to your braids. And then if you don't like the 2 strands, you know, down in the front, definitely just go ahead and wrap it around, sis. You know, it's another style. This is the style that people have, that people typically wear, that I see wear. I think it's like a timeless classic braided hairstyle. I think it's super cute. Anyhow, all right, style number 5. I had to get my neck ready. Okay, I had to prepare mentally for this. Okay, because I got a lot of braids. Okay, I had to get myself together. Now, this is your average top knot messy bun. I love a good messy bun, braided. You know, braided bun is what I'm trying to say. It's a lot for me to do this because I have a whole lot of braids. I know everything is different on camera, but just trust me, y'all, this was heavy. But I love a good Beyonce messy bun, braided bun. I could have did a little bit better. I'm not gonna lie, because you know, I thought it was okay, and then I edited it out. I was like, oh, that could have been straightened out a little bit better. But anywho, moving on, you can go ahead and just rock yourself a cute ponytail, but that's not why we're here. Okay, so if you follow me on Instagram, then you've probably seen the Janet Jackson style. So this is style number 6, which is one of, if not my favorite. So you would take a scarf and then you would go ahead and wrap it around, you know, and then you would go ahead and cross it over. And then you want to bring those 2 pieces of fabric behind, but closer towards your ponytail, and then wrap it around. Now, the only thing is, y'all, I would definitely, if you've never tried this, use less fabric. This is a whole scarf, so it was a lot. I'm not going to lie. So definitely you don't need but 1/4 of this, really, depending on the style that you're going for. But I love this style. It is so grown. It is so like reminiscent of like that 90s. It's just everything. I love it. It complements Black women so bomb with these braids. It's so poetic justice. I adore it. Okay. But yeah, people were asking over on Instagram to do a tutorial, so I hope that was helpful for y'all. This is my favorite, so I did slow it down just a smidge because I'm like, am I good? Okay, anyway, I thought it was cute. So if you don't like the hair hanging down, because I understand everybody is different, you can go ahead and still rock a bun, sis. I mean, go ahead and rock you a bun, sis. I think it still is very, very stylish, very cute, especially if like in the middle of your head ain't done. You remember that, you know? I'm just saying, don't be mad at me. Do not be mad at me. So we moving on to style number 8. Okay, so these little things you can get at the beauty supply store, and I just cut them. They're like little cotton headbands. And then I'm queen of taking a piece of hair and just wrapping it around my little, you know, hair scrunchy thing. I don't like that thing really showing. And again, like I've said, to me, it just adds some character. You know, it looks like you tried a little bit, because you know, I really don't be trying in these streets, honestly. But anywho, so that's that. That's another hairstyle. Super simple, easy. I mean, it's just a ponytail, honestly, with a headband. But you know, it's something that I wear out. So I'm just, you know. And then a classic, just straight back. I love that style. It looks so innocent and just youthful. And it's really good at, did I just say very, really good? Anyway, it's really good at hiding, you know, like old braids and stuff like that. So I really love that hairstyle. All right. All right, number 10, a hat. Hello. What's wrong with hats? Huh? Somebody let me know. Why this can't be a hairstyle? It's a hairstyle. And if it's too basic, because this is a basic channel, I mean, I thought about maybe you could wrap it around, but I wouldn't wear my hair like this. But you know, I thought I'd be, never mind. You might like it. Anywho, I love the hat. That's my type of thing. But anywho, last style, y'all. I love this style because I feel like it's so age appropriate. I feel like anybody could rock this, you know, young or old, middle, in between, whatever. You can go ahead and make yourself a deep side part, and then you want to take just like this 2, you know, parts on the side and twist it, or you can flat twisting it, or you can corn roll it. I like the whole twist look. I feel like the braid makes it more casual, the twist makes it a little bit more dressy. And then you can go ahead and wrap it over the braids and then underneath the other side. And then what I do, I just continue it all the way down, and I'll take a loose braid and connect it with a rubber band. And then it just stays and it's concealed and all of that. And I think it's so cute. And you know, I think you can wear this anywhere. Brunch, sis, out with your bae, you know, girl, whatever you want to do. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. I hope you were entertained. I hope you liked it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all. Bye.